Hi, I'm Kim Master-Martino from Line Design. Today we're going to take a look at the line design for swirls. First step is simply a C shape that is curled. Once the C shape is curled, it's coming back out upon itself. And then the third step again, adding in a little bit of an S curve sometimes adds a little bit of flair, coming back and making an aura or around that. And another C shape comes out of it. So a C shape coming back out of it, auraing or mirroring or going around it. Adding another C shape coming out of that, and remembering to put the shapes, C shapes, in different directions. So let's take a look at what that looks like all together. A C shape coming back out, coming around again and back again. Adding in a little bit of an S curve adds a little bit of a flare. Coming back very close to a previous line but not touching. There's always that little bit of a space to give that nice little point and curve. And putting the C shapes in different directions allows for variation. Thanks for watching Swirls with Line Design.